In this course, you will be trained to master French at level A1. By the end of this course, you will understand more grammar and will have better reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. Welcome to Simple French with Hims. Do you have the grit to finish this long French course and kickstart your journey for a better future? This course combines 4 courses, A1.1, A1.2, A1.3, and A1.4 into a single A1 course, giving you all the required French skills in one place. Now, can you master over 1,000 graded quizzes?
3, 2, 1.
The A1 Vocabulary Book. Grammar lessons. A is our verb over here. Na would come before it. Okay, so far so good. And we have our subject pronoun, to, over here. And after to, we will have our ba right over here. And then we have the rest of the sentence. So over here, because this is not the third person, this is the second person. So that's why we don't really need the T over here. Now, there are 4 of them, all right? Just like we had 4 kinds of the, we also have 4 kinds of demonstrative adjectives. Very easy, do not be intimidated, all right? So let's start with the first one. Ce, which is this guy over here, just for male singular. Ce, all right? Writing tests. Listening tests.
Bonjour à tous. Aujourd'hui, le temps béton se réveille avec quelques nuages. La température est agréable. Autour des 25 degrés Celsius. Il n'y a pas de pluie prévue pour la journée.
Reading tests. Speaking tests.
Tu es dans une boulangerie. Tu veux acheter un croissant? Demande à la vendeuse.
Bonjour, je voudrais acheter un croissant, s'il vous plaît.
Bonjour. Bien sûr, voici votre croissant. Est-ce que vous voulez autre chose aujourd'hui?
Get started now with French level A1 and pave the path to your success.